Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am discussing a template for real estate personal financial statement that I've created using Excel. With this template, I have used the formulas and three sheets. So this is the summary sheet where it's a summary of personal financial statement. Now, before going in details about this summary, I would just like you to showcase one category section. So I have added one category section. So here we can put any categories which for assets and liabilities. So this is the category for assets. I just manually type it. Then accounts and notes receivable, IRA. So whatever we have the loans and assets categories, we can just type here in this category sheet. Then we have a drop down list over here. We can just select the category that we earlier added in the category sheet. They will be automatically added here. So just like I'm adding cash, so it's a liability sheet. So if I'm adding 500 here, now in the summary section of cash in the liabilities, you can just add one more cash here. And this cash will automatically gets pulled over here. And our balance will deducted here. So let me showcase you how it exactly works. So we have a summary sheet. Then of course we have a real estate schedule sheet. So in this sheet, we can add the address, property address, then property type, vested owner, purchase year, then purchase price, then this market value and mortgage balance. We just need to put the value over here, and I just put 2550 for market value. So this will automatically gets captured in the asset sheet, this market value, and the mortgage balance will automatically appear in the liability sheet in the asset real estate categories. Let me showcase you. So this is the real estate and this is a formula. So whatever the value, let's say I put 300,000 here. So in the asset, it will automatically shown here in the real estate section in the asset value. And of course, in the summary also, it will automatically added here. And these calculations will all automatically gets happened. Similarly, if I put the mortgage balance as, let's say, 1500 here. Now this will get into the loan section and the liability sheet. As we can see here, 1500 automatically appeared here. And of course, in the summary section also, real estate loans, we will have the value 1500 here. So the thing is, this is the sheet of real estate sheet we created, and we can add as much as data here in this sheet, and it will automatically gets populated. So let's say if I want to add one more entry of this one, let's say $1,000 for market value and 1,500 for mortgage balance. We can just put anything over here. Currently, I'm not doing that. It's only for my summary. So if I'm going back to the summary sheet of liability sheet, we can see the amount 2000 appears here, 1500 plus 500. And in the summary section as well here, 2000 is appearing here. And my total market value is 4000, and in the asset as well 4000, and real estate here. So this summary is automatically gets captured. Now, if I'm going back here, if I want to add cash balance here, so I just put the value 500 in the asset section, and it will gets automatically added here. Gets 1000. Then if I want to add in the liabilities here, 500, 1000. So we can add here and it will get captured here as well. Cash. So whatever the categories here in the assets and liability section, accounts payable, let's say 250, 250. If I add it here, then accounts payable 250 will be reflected here. The lines of credit, let's say 450, 4650, 450. And of course, I can get this 450 as well here. Now in the final summary, we have the total assets appearing as the addition of all this one, and then the total liabilities, the addition of all these figures, and then the total net worth is assets minus liabilities, which is 800. So this is all about in this video. To get this template, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and the email address. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me and let me know if you need any customizations, or if you are happy with this, you can just definitely reach me out. I will be sharing you this Excel file for my email address and also on WhatsApp. So thanks for watching this video and take care. Have a great day. Bye.